I'm going to explain question set 6. The board of directors of HeidiSQL Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institution. The software was developed by Taraga Software Solution. Imagine that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company. You and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instruction given to you. The instructions are as follows. So in this scenario, there's Academicos HeidiSQL Academy, and the board of directors decided to store the information in a software. And this software is developed by Tara Software Solution. And in this company, this software company, I have to assume that I'm a senior software engineer, and me and my team's responsibility to create the database for this software. The first instruction is to create the database, HeidiSQL Academy. Give the database name, click apply, and the database is created. The second task is create a table called student to store students' data. Follow the instruction below to create this table. Student, this is the primary key of this database, student registration number, to create this table, click apply. The next task is enter the data shown in the table below in the table you prepared. When you enter in data, enter the data graphically. Instead of using a insert query, we can enter the data graphically. To save this record in the student table, we can click apply and apply. As you can see, all the records are saved in the student table. Next task is the date of some of the students you have entered above should change as follows. Enter the update query, write the update query statement required to update the data. So there are some changes we have to do in the student table. So the first change we have to do is the gender of the student whose student registration number is STU_006 is marked as female but should be changed to male. So this student Namal Patirana's gender is female. We have to change this to male. Update student table. Set the column we want to change, gender column, the value male, where student registration number equal STU006. So this is the update query. This will update the student. This will update this student registration number 006 gender. This where clause is used to filter the data in the database. So we are going to filter it using student registration number. When you execute this script, the script is successfully executed. Now let's check whether it is updated. Yes, STU006 now I Patrina male. And also another thing I want to mention, when you are reading a SQL script, you should read from beginning to end from this side instead of from end to beginning instead of beginning to end. When you are reading from end to beginning, it makes more sense. So in here, student STU006 change its gender to male in the student table. In this is a simple query, so therefore either ways makes sense, but the more complex the query gets, it's better to read it from end to beginning, which makes more sense. So the next update is, or the next change is, Naduni Vijay Singha's student registration number STUD_010 is stored in the database. It should be changed to STU_010. So this is Naduni Vijay Singha, the student registration number. There's a typo, STUD_010. So we have to change it to this. So update student table, set the column we want to change is student registration number equal, this is the value, this is what we want to change, student registration number column, the value is STU010, where we can use the first name and the last name. We have to filter it, where first name equal Naduni, and we can use and last name Vijay Singh. So when we execute this query, we get an error. The error is error code 1175. You are using safe update mode and you try to update a table without a where that uses a key column. So this is the error that when we trying to execute this script. The reason we get this error because there is a thing called safe mode in MySQL. So this safe code means you can't delete or update records without specifying a key, for example primary key. In here, the reason this code got executed and this didn't get executed because this code we use the primary key to filter the data. To filter the table records, we use this primary key. In here we don't use a primary key, instead we use the first name and the last name. The first name and the last name can be duplicated. There can be more than one Naduni and there can be more than one Vijay Singh. So this is an unsafe query. So therefore SQL won't let us execute this query. The solution, actually there are two solutions for this. The first solution is we can write this script, SQL script, set SQL underscore safe underscore updates equals 0. This will disable the safe mode. So this disable the safe mode, and now we can execute this query. But I am not going to do this way because this is, we are disabling the safe mode. We should follow the given rules in the MySQL database. So therefore what I am going, the next solution is we can put another AND here and give the student registration number, which is stud 010. Now this code this script will be executed. See, this script got executed. Now when we check this, see, stu underscore 010 Naduni Vijay Singh is got updated. So remember, in a real world, when you want to change or delete a specific data, you must use a unique key. Instead of using this kind of repetitive columns, we should use a unique key, and unique key in this scenario is the student registration number, the primary key. So the next change is student underscore registration number. The stu underscore 020 student first name must be changed to Kalani. So stu 0, so this one. So Lahiru's name we should change to Kalani. So same update student set first name equal Kalani, where so we are going to change the Lahiru's student stu underscore 040's first name to Kalani. In this, when we execute this script, we won't get any errors like the previous one, because we are using a primary key to execute this script to update this user. So the updated, let's see the results. So as you can see, stu underscore 020 Lahiru's name changed to Kalani. So this is all for question set 06. Thank you for watching.